Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from FxPro. Withdrawing money on FxPro means transferring your trading profits or remaining balance from your trading account back to your personal bank account, card or e-wallet. And the process is designed to be secure, but it must follow certain verification and payment rules to protect your fund. Below is a clear step-by-step guide to help you withdraw money safely. So first what you can do is make sure you have installed the FxPro app on a device and tap on the FxPro, and also make sure you have logged into your FxPro account using your email and your password. And after that, once you reach into this FxPro dashboard, under this FxPro wallet we can find there's an option for the withdraw. Tap on the withdraw there, and this opens all the available withdraw options. And if you have multiple accounts, you can choose the live trading account you want to withdraw from and make sure it has available balance, and you cannot withdraw from demo accounts. And FxPro usually allows withdrawal through the same method used by the deposit. This is a security rule. And after that, you can choose your bank transfer, credit or debit, e-wallet, and type the amount you want to withdraw. Make sure it does not exceed your available balance, and you can confirm the withdrawal request after that. And that is it. Withdrawing money on FxPro is a secure and structured process designed to protect your funds. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.